proactive and dynamic Consul General of Italy in Karachi, Danilo Giurdanella, maintaining that in the field all players were equal on social status, race or nationality, initiated sports diplomacy by inviting Gianluca Cameruccio, Senior Security Manager of F.C. Inter Milan. During his stay in Karachi, Gianluca Cameruccio held official meetings with Pakistani authorities and exchanged notes on security management of public order services within Pakistan, especially during sporting events. At a special security unit of Metropolis, Cameruccio gave a presentation entitled "Violence in Stadiums, a Hypothesis in Terms of Security." Cameruccio, together with the Consul General of Italy, Danilo Giurdanella, also visited Karachi United, a sports development organization that has been operating in the port city since 1996 and currently manages 12 centers of excellence in low-income areas where 1,000 plus disadvantaged children, boys and girls train for free. Commenting on the visit, Consul General Danilo Giurdanella said he was pleasantly surprised by the sheer passion shown by those young sportsmen and women and the professionalism of Pakistani footballers. Karachi's majestic landmark Pearl Continental Hotel was the venue where Consul General Danilo Giurdanella hosted a networking dinner in honor of visiting Senior Security Manager of FC Inter Milan, Gianluca Cameruccio. The reception was attended by crème de la crème of the Metropolis, including sportsmen and women, diplomats, educationists, journalists, entrepreneurs and politicians. Conspicuous among others, there were Vice Chancellor NED University Dr. Sarosh Hashmat Lodhi and Jerry's Akram Wali Muhammad. Consul General Danilo Giurdanella appreciated the efforts of Mayor Karachi Murtaza Wahab and other Pakistani authorities. Sports Minister Junaid Ali Shah, addressing the ladies and gentlemen in the audience, stressed on the provision of infrastructure to young players. Speaking to News Pakistan TV, Consul General Danilo Giurdanella stated,
Italy is a football country, so this is what we can export. We can export football in Pakistan. In cricket, we are not nearly as good as you are, so it wouldn't have the same effect. I think sports diplomacy is very important, so it's something that we promote a lot because, first of all, sports diplomacy connect people, so it can connect Italy and Pakistan. First of all. Second of all, sports diplomacy connect people on an equal level. And it cuts through all the socio-economic differences on the field, on the football field, or whatever game you were talking about. All players are equal. There is no religion, there is no economic difference, there is no social difference, there is no ethnic group, there is no nationality anymore. So this is why we think sport diplomacy is a very good way to promote and strengthen friendship and the bonds between nations. And well, finally, Gianluca is my personal friend for a long time, and he's a great person, he's a great football fan, and I think his personal engagement in Pakistan can bring about many changes for Pakistan football. We visited yesterday, we were at Karachi United, and we saw so much passion that we didn't expect for this game. So I think people they just need a little bit more coaching, a little bit more help to be on the right track and to make Pakistan a great football nation besides a great cricket nation. Well, in Italy 90% is football. 90% of all the sports business is linked to football, but we are very good in rugby right now. So rugby, tennis we used to be, not anymore. Cycling we used to be. We do a little bit of everything, but I can say, it's like Pakistan. 90% of it is cricket for you. For us is football, But I can tell you now we have a very big Pakistani, as you know, we have a very big Pakistani population in Italy. So every time I go back to Italy, I hear that there are more and more Italians that are interested in cricket. So, it's a kind of cultural exchange. You learn a little bit more about football and we learn a little bit more about cricket in Italy. Yes, yeah, to be honest, I'm a very bad player, but I used to play. You need to be recognized as a talent at a very young age. This is what we hope we can do in, for instance, in Karachi, in the Liari neighbor, where there are a lot of sometimes underprivileged kids that they are great talents, but they're not easy. It's not easy to recognize, and even if you recognize, you have to train them and you have to guide them to a higher level, because you need to learn certain techniques and you need to be exposed to certain environments to how do you say, to have that talent coming on the international football stage. Pakistan is a very big country with a very big population, so even a small fraction of people playing football, that's a very big population for us in Europe. Really, I'm a great promoter of this fact that Pakistan is the first country in the world for production of professional football balls, and you are also the official provider of footballs for the FIFA, for the International Federation.
Senior Security Manager FC Inter Milan, Gianluca Cameruccio held.
I came to Pakistan with the invite directly to the Consul Danilo Giurdanella. I'm a security director in International Football Club in Milano, and my visit is to evaluate any possibility of partnership with the local football society, professional and not professional, and to have with the security police force police station a very partnership in the service of public order in the stadium and some other things. When I come back in Italy, I transfer your dreams, this kind of possibility or partnership. I've found a very, very passionate and professional boys and girls in every age. It's an emotional experience. We can organize a campus where it's possible to train, to teach to the boys our football style.
A question-answer session was also held.